Close my tab. Sit straight. Close your eyes. Sit in any comfortable meditative posture. Adopt Chin Mudra. Keep your eyes and mouth gently closed. Relax and calm down your mind. Witness your breath. Unite your body, mind and soul. Feel your whole body from head to toe. Feel your surrounding. Feel your room. Be aware of your room. Be aware of the walls of the room. Be aware of the windows of the room. Be aware of the color in the walls. Be aware of the noise around you. Slowly internalize your awareness to your breath. Slow and deep breath. Count your breath mentally. Feel the subtle movement of your breath. By observing your breath, we'll chant Om 3 times. Breathe in. Kindly take your both the hands back. Bend forward and offer Naman to Mother Earth. Slowly come up. Rub your palm. Keep down your eyes. Rub it all over your face, ears, neck, and gently open your eyes and observe your palm. Relax. Thank you. Good evening all. Good morning, Sucheta. Slowly. Sit in Vajrasana. Tiger breathing. Separate your knees. Take one arm distance between your knees. Keep it in the front. Take one palm distance. Rise your buttocks up. Separate your legs. Make sure your palm, knees and legs are on one line. Breathe in. Look up. Depress your back. Breathe out. Arch your back and lock your chin. Breathe in. Look up. Stretch your tailbone. Breathe out. Lock your chin. Arch your back. Lift your chest up. Breathe in. Up. Breathe out. Down. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Stretch your tailbone nicely. Breathe out. Breathe in. 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 And breathe out. Slowly bring your knees together. Stretch your right hand with your left leg. Breathe in. Breathe out. Left hand, right leg. breathe in, breathe out, 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 breathe in and breathe out. Stretch your right leg back, fold it, look up, breathe in, breathe out, 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 breathe in and breathe out. Left leg, switch to left. Breathe in, breathe out, 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 breathe in and breathe out. Fold your right leg, rotate clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Kick sideways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch to left. Rotate clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Look sideways. 1, 2, 3. Look forward. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly come to plank. Separate your legs. Do push-ups. 1. Those who can't do, bend your knees and do like this. Okay, otherwise straight. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Slowly stretch your right leg back, cross your hands, raise your right leg up. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Fold your right leg forward, stretch your left leg back, down, rise it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax slowly. Stretch your right leg, right side. Lift it up. Do push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Fold it back. Stretch your left leg left side and rise it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Slowly shake your fingers. Shake it up. Up. Back. Stretch sideways. Switch to opposite. Fold your hands behind and hold your elbows. Try to touch your opposite shoulder. Back straight. Bend towards your right. Feel the stretching on your waistline. Relax. Switch to opposite. Hold for a few seconds. Then bend laterally to your left. Slowly bend to left. Breathe. Relax. Slowly hold plank. Then hold this way. Okay, you have to push your body forward. Your body should be parallel to the ground. Otherwise, fold your hands and rest your elbows down and look forward. Either way is fine. Hold for 1 minute challenge. Those who can't hold, you can relax in between. Yes, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Relax. Relax in Shashankasana. If your hands or wrists are hurting, just shake your fingers. You'll be fine. Try to relax in Shashankasana. Separate your knees. Rest your buttocks on your heels. Nicely. And do abdominal breathing. Separate your knees. Don't hang your head. Rest your chin on your palm by folding your hands. Breathe. Slowly come to Sthiti, side plank. Hold this way, okay? Or this way, or fold it and hold. Or if you don't have more strength on your shoulders, you can bend your hand, rest your elbow and straighten your legs or fold your right leg. Either way is fine. Hold for 30 seconds. Start. 1, 2, 3. Observe your finger, middle finger. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Breathe. 28, 29, 30. Relax. Slowly switch to opposite side. Right hand and rise it up. Raise your left hand. hold 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Slowly relax. Relax in Shashankasana. Slowly come to Vajrasana. Stretch your both the interlock your fingers. Stretch your both the hands up. Stretch nicely. Bend to right, left, 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 right, left. Now stretch back, bend forward, 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 and relax. Relax in Shashankasana. Slowly come to Vajrasana. Rock yourself and come to standing posture at the end of your mat. We'll do Guru Namaskara 3 rounds and Chandra Namaskara 3 rounds. Okay? Do not force yourself. If you can't do, you can just sit and do PM1. Okay? Do not force yourself to do whatever I say. You just do whatever you can do with it. Stand at the end of your mat. Keep your feet together. Join your palm. Keep your middle finger in between your chest. Relax and calm down your mind. Observe your breath. Guru Namaskara. Open your eyes. Namaskarasana. Right leg forward. Hanumadvaja. Open your chest. Push your tongue down. Fold your right knee 90 degrees. Make a fist. Join your shoulder blade. Dvajavandana. Ekapada. Parvatasana. Separate your legs to your mat width. Don't raise your heels. Heels down. Danda Bhujangasana. Slide forward. Stretch your spine. Look up. Balance on your palm and toes. Akanchita Bodharasana. Fold your knees. Sit back. Keep your chest and chin down and look forward. Right leg forward. Ekapadasana. Hanumadvaja. Namaskarasana. Take your right leg back. Join your legs. Join your palm. Keep your feet together. Namaskarasana. Left leg. Hanumadvaja. Open your chest. Push your trunk down, fold your left knee 90 degree, make a fist, join your shoulder blades. Dvajavandana, Ekavada, Parvatasana, Dandabhujangasana. Slide forward, stretch your spine, look up. Akanchita Bodharasana. Left leg, Ekapadasana. Hanumadvaja. Namaskarasana. Join your legs. Namaskarasana. Right leg forward. Hanumadvaja. Dvajavandana. Ekapada. Parvatasana. Separate your legs, heels down. Dandabhujangasana. Slide forward, stretch your spine, look up. Akanchita Bodharasana. Sit back, chest chin down, stretch your arms and shoulders nicely. Chin down and look forward. Stretch your toes or be on your toes. Right leg forward, Ekapadasana. Hanumadvaja. Namaskarasana. Right leg back along with your left. Join your legs. Namaskarasana. Left leg. Hanumadvaja. Open your chest. Bring your left leg forward. Open your chest. Push your trunk down. Make a fist. Fold your left knee 90 degree. Dvajavandana. Join your palm. Ekapadasana. Parvatasana. Dandabhujangasana. Akanchita Bodharasana. Left leg forward, Ekapadasana. Hanumadvaja. Namaskarasana. Right leg back, join your legs. The moment you come to Namaskara Mudra, your feet should be together. That looks disciplined. Namaskarasana. Right leg forward. Hanumadvaja. Open your chest. Push your trunk down. Dvajavandana. Join your palm. Ekapadasana. Hanumadvaja. Parvatasana. Dandabhujangasana. Slide forward. Stretch your spine. Look up. Akanchita Bodharasana. Fold your knees. Sit back. Chest and chin down. Look forward. Give a nice stretch to your arms and shoulders. Right leg forward. Ekapadasana. Hanumadvaja. Namaskarasana. Right leg back. Join your legs. Namaskarasana. Left leg forward. Hanumadvaja. Open your chest. Push your trunk down. Fold your left knee 90 degree. Make a fist. Join your shoulder blades. Dvajavandana. Ekapada. Parvatasana. Separate your legs. Rise your buttocks. Stretch your tailbone. Your tailbone facing the ceiling. Feel the stretching on your calf muscles and hamstrings. Dandabhujangasana. Slide forward. Stretch your spine. Look up. Balance on your palm and toes. Akanchita Bodharasana. Fold your knees. Sit back. Chest and chin down. Give a nice stretch to your arms and shoulders. Left leg forward. Ekapadasana. Hanumadvaja. Namaskarasana. Right leg back and relax. Relax in Sthitila Tadasana. Legs apart. Collapse your shoulders. Close your eyes. Stand in the front. Chandra Namaskara. 3 rounds. Chandra Namaskara. It is 14 step. Similar to Surya Namaskara. Surya Namaskara will heat up your body and Chandra Namaskara will cool your body. Okay? Yes. Join your legs. It is 14 step. Whereas Surya Namaskara is 12 steps. Join your legs. Join your palm. Your middle finger, thumb finger in between your chest. Pranamasana. Hasta Uttana. Stretch back. Your palm facing the ceiling. Stretch your fingers. Padahastasana. Bend forward. You have to extend your left leg back because left hand side is Chandranadi. So you are activating your Chandranadi now. For Surya Namaskara, always extend your right leg. For Chandra Namaskara, always extend left leg. Ashwasanchalana, left leg back. Open your chest. Ardha Chandrasana. Raise your both the hands up. Join your palm and observe your palm. Stretch back. Parvatasana. Keep your feet together. Stretch your tailbone. Sashtanga Namaskarasana. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Right leg forward. Ashwasanchalana. Ardha Chandrasana. Padahastasana. Hasta Uttana. Pranamasana. Hasta Uttana. Padahastasana. Right leg back. Ashwasanchalana. Ardha Chandrasana. Parvatasana. Beginners can just sit and watch. Sashtanga Namaskarasana. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Left leg forward. Ashwasanchalana. Ardha Chandrasana. Padahastasana. Hasta Uttana. Pranamasana. That becomes one round. Second round. Hasta Uttana. Stretch back. Padahastasana. Bend forward. Extend your left leg back. Ashwasanchalana. Open your chest. Push your trunk down. Your middle finger touching the ground. Ardha Chandrasana. Raise your both the hands up. Join your palm. Observe your palm. Parvatasana. Take your right leg back. Stretch your tailbone. Raise your hip. Keep your heels down. Sashtanga Namaskarasana. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Bring your right leg forward. Ashwasanchalana. Ardha Chandrasana. Padahastasana. Hasta Uttana. Pranamasana. Hasta Uttana. Padahastasana. Right leg back. Ashwasanchalana. Ardha Chandrasana. Parvatasana. Sashtanga Namaskarasana. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Left leg forward. Ashwasanchalana. Ardha Chandrasana. Padahastasana. Hasta Uttana. Pranamasana. Hasta Uttana. Padahastasana. Left leg Ashwasanchalana. Ardha Chandrasana. Parvatasana. Sashtanga Namaskarasana. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Right leg forward. Ashwasanchalana. Ardha Chandrasana. Padahastasana. Hasta Uttana. Pranamasana. Hasta Uttana. Padahastasana. Right leg Ashwasanchalana. Ardha Chandrasana. Parvatasana. Sashtanga Namaskarasana. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Left leg forward, Ashwa Sanchalana. Ardha Chandrasana. Pada Hastasana. Hasta Uttana. Pranamasana. Relax. Relax in Sitila Tadasana. Legs apart. Collapse your shoulders. Close your eyes. Observe your whole body from head to toe. Relax all your muscles and tissues and joints. Drink some water if you want. Do not be dehydrated. Keep yourself hydrated. Observe your heartbeat. Observe your breath. Gently rub your palm. Rubbing of your palm will boost your energy. Gives a good glow for your skin. Rub it on your eyes, face, ears, neck, and gently open your eyes and observe your palm. Relax. We'll move on to standing asanas. Keep your feet together. Variations of Akarna, Dhanurasana will practice. Okay, standing. Slowly fold your right leg. Take your right hand inside, left hand inside, and join your palm and hold. Balance. If you don't get balance, don't mind to take wall support. Okay? Please take wall support and stand firmly on the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, very good. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Inhale and then exhale. Opposite side. Fold your left leg. Take your both the hands inside your left leg. Keep your feet on your left, both the elbows, and join your palm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Inhale and then exhale. Slowly fold your right leg again. Catch hold of your right foot with both the hands and touch your right ear. Lift your right elbow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take wall support. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Push your elbow up. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Inhale and then exhale. Opposite side. It is all for your hip joint. Okay. Fold your left leg. Catch hold of your left foot with both the hands. Stretch it up and touch your left ear. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lift your left elbow up. 5, 6. Breathe, breathe. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Inhale and then exhale. Slowly take 1 foot distance between your feet. Dhrita Utkatasana, good for your knee and rheumatism, arthritis. If you have knee pain, avoid sitting completely down. Otherwise, you can practice. Raise both the hands up Join your palm, interlock your fingers, stretch your index finger towards the ceiling. Close your ears with your biceps, stretch your spine. Inhale, exhale, sit completely down in squat. Inhale, up, exhale, down. Inhale, up, exhale, inhale. Good for constipation and sciatica pain. Exhale, inhale, up, exhale, hold. Be there. Normal breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, breathe. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Inhale, up, exhale, relax. Namaskarasana. Slowly separate your legs. Again, keep it to your mat width. Rise both the hands up. Join your palm. Inhale, come to squat. Exhale, stretch your thighs with your elbows. Keep your thumb in between your chest. Inhale, exhale. Join your knees. Inhale, open your knees. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Hold for 10 count. 1, breathe normal. 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, good for constipation and sciatica pain. 7, 8, back straight. 9, 10, exhale, hold. Breathe there. Squeeze your abdomen and breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale. Slowly come up. Exhale. Relax. Slowly separate your legs. Stand horizontally on your mat. Prasarita Padottanasana. Those who can't do, those who are in beginner stage, do not try. You can, if you want, you can just try and just bend 90 degrees forward. Inhale, rise both the hands up, stretch your spine. Exhale, with deep exhalation, bend forward. First keep your beginners, keep your both the hands down. Slowly, if you still have more flexibility, bend your elbows. If you still have more flexibility, keep your crown of your head down and then catch hold of your ankle. Otherwise, do not try. Just be there in this position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Slowly keep your both the hands down and bring your little legs little closer and keep your left hand down and raise your right hand up and observe your right middle finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right hand down and stretch your left hand up. Rise it up. Observe your left middle finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly keep your both the hands down. Slowly bring your feet closer. Hold your left ankle with your right hand. Raise your left hand up. Take it around your back and catch hold of your right ankle and observe the ceiling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, keep trying. One day you'll achieve it. 17, 18, 19, 20. Slowly, again keep it in the middle. Slowly raise your, catch hold of your right ankle with your left hand. Raise your right hand up. Take it from the front and catch hold of your left ankle and twist your spine and observe the ceiling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Push your head inside in between your hands. 7, correct. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Slowly come to the center. Slowly bring your both the feet together. Inhale. Stretch both the hands back. Stretch it up. Exhale. Come to Namaskara Mudra and relax. Slowly sit down. Stretch your both the legs forward. Hug your legs. Rock yourself. 20 counts. Those who can't, those who have back pain, don't rock. Just do rolling. Okay? Hugging your legs, interlocking your fingers. Roll sideways. Otherwise, rock yourself to 20 count. 1 and watch your head. 2, 3, front and back. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Try to stand on your feet and lift your buttocks up. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Sleep on your back. Relax completely. Observe your abdominal movement. Slowly stretch your hands, come to Sthiti. Join your legs. Stretch your hands back. Hasta Merudandasana. You have to lift your upper body only 60 degree or 30 degree. Only upper body. Okay? Inhale, be there. When I say exhale, you have to lift your upper body and stretch your both the hands forward. Your palm facing each other to 30 degree or 60 degree. Whichever is convenient. All together, come to Samasthiti. Join your legs. Stretch your hands back. Inhale, be there. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Hold. Be there. Normal breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Breathe. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Inhale. Stretch back. Exhale. Relax. Now lift your both the legs up to 60 degree only. Those who have back pain, go for single leg. Okay? Yes. Both the legs to 30 or 60 degree only. Stretch your hands back. Inhale, be there. Exhale, rise it up. Inhale up, sorry. Inhale, rise both the legs up. Exhale down. Lift only legs. Inhale up, 60 degree. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, stretch your toes and hold. Normal breathing. 30 or 60 degree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Breathe. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Inhale and then exhale. Now, Naukasana. You have to stretch your upper body and legs to 30 or 60 degree. Inhale, be there. Exhale, up. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Hold, be there. 1, 2, your palm facing each other. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Inhale and then exhale. Slowly rise both the legs up. Separate your knees. Bend your knees and hook your big toe with your 2 fingers. Ananda Balasana. Slowly oscillate sideways. 1, 2, 3. Happy baby pose. 4, 5, 6. Give a massage to your spine. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Slowly keep your both the legs in butterfly posture. Stretch your hands back. Slowly bounce your legs sideways. Start. 1, dynamic 1, 2, no hand movement, just only leg movement. Bounce it sideways. 4, 5, 6, 7, faster. 8, 9, dynamic 1, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Slowly stretch both the legs. Rise your right leg, fold it, cross it, take your both the hands inside your leg and join your palm and raise your left leg to 30 or 60 degree. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Left leg to 30 or 60, not 90. 7, 8. Lift your head up. 9. If you have neck tissue, don't lift your head. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Inhale, release your right leg, rise it up. Exhale, down. Both the legs down. Opposite side. Stretch your hands back, come to Sthiti. Rise your left leg up. Inhale, exhale, fold, cross it. Take both the hands inside. Keep your leg on the both the elbows and join your palm. And slowly rise your right leg to 30 or 60 degree. Hold, lift your head up. 1, 2, neck tissue, don't lift. 3, 4, take your foot closer to your forehead. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Inhale and then exhale. Slowly relax and tuck your t-shirt inside. Next practice, Sarvangasana. Those who can't do Sarvangasana, go for Setubandhasana. Fold both the legs. Take your time, no hurry. Keep your both the feet closer to your buttocks. Those who want to do bridge pose. If you can't hold for 70 count, you can relax in between Do not strain yourself. Do not force yourself to do anything. Depending on your capacity, you can hold the posture. Yes, go for it. Inhale. Setubandhasana. Rise your buttocks. The more you rise, chest comes closer to your chin. Lock. Good for thyroid. Hold. Back pain. And for pregnancy. 4, 5, 6. Those who want to do Sarvangasana, rise both the legs up. Buttocks up. Push your spine towards the ceiling. Hold your backbone. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Slowly fold your knees, take it towards your forehead and slowly release your buttocks and stretch your legs. Complementary Matsyasana, put Padmasana if you can, otherwise straight your legs, chest up, roll your head inside, fold your elbows, rest it on the ground nicely. Yes, hold for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Inhale, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Slowly release your Padmasana, release your head, and then go for Halasana and Chakrasana. We'll finish it off. Yes. Slowly rise your both the legs up. And touch your toes to the ground. And hold your backbone. If possible, interlock your fingers and stretch it up. Beginners, don't try, just watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, low pose. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Slowly release and then go to Chakrasana. Complementary. Fold both the legs. Beginners, just watch, don't try. Keep your both the hands by the side of your head in the inverted posture. Stretch your fingers. Keep your feet together. First, rise your buttocks up. Rest your head down this much. Those who can do it can try. Otherwise, you can relax. Those who have advanced practitioners, lift your head up. Balance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Slowly put your head down fast and then slowly slide your head, neck, and then relax. Relax in Shavasana. Legs apart, hands apart. Close your eyes. Make a final adjustment to your clothing. Wipe your sweat. Relax and surrender your body to the ground. Observe your whole body from head to toe. Observe your breath. As you breathe in from your left big toe to your eyebrow center. As you breathe out, from your eyebrow center to your right big toe. Again, as you breathe in from your right big toe to your eyebrow center. As you breathe out from your eyebrow center to your left big toe. Draw a triangular shape, geometrical shape. It is a way of practicing pranayama, Nadi Shodhana pranayama. Breathe in from your left big toe to your eyebrow center. Breathe out from your eyebrow center to your right big toe. Again, breathe in from your right big toe to your eyebrow center. Breathe out from your eyebrow center to your left big toe. Continue the journey of your triangular breathing. And slowly leave your awareness of your breath to your body. Relax your lower part of your body. Relax your middle part of your body. Relax your upper part of your body. Remove all the negative thoughts from your mind. Remove all the worries from your mind. Keep your mind completely calm and quiet. Enjoy the blissful relaxation. Enjoy the beautiful relaxation of your whole body and mind and soul. Slowly bring back your conscious awareness. Become aware of your surrounding. Become aware of the noise around you. Become aware of your physical body. Gently move your toes. Move your fingers. Move your neck. Slowly bring your legs together. Hands together. Fold your left leg. Rise your right hand back. Slowly turn to your right hand side. Keep your left hand in front of your chest. Fold both the legs. Enjoy the relaxation. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Slowly take support with your left hand. Come to any comfortable meditative posture. Sit back in Vajrasana, Virasana, Padmasana, whichever is convenient. We'll move on to Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. Left hand Chin Mudra, right hand Vishnu Mudra. Keep your index hand, middle finger on your eyebrow center. 9 rounds, 1:1 ratio. Start the practice. back 100% straight. No sound, effortless breathing, normal and natural breathing. Observe your eyebrow center, that is Sushumna Nadi, Agna Chakra. Once you're done, relax and stop the practice. Observe your both the nadis. You have balanced your both the nadis. Observe your breath. Scan your whole body from head to toe. Enjoy the blissful relaxation. We'll wind up the session with 3 Omkaras followed by Shanti Mantra. Inhale. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Hari Om. Rub your palm. Rub it nicely. Feel the heat of your body. Keep it on your chest, stomach, backbone, buttocks, legs, shoulders, hands. Rub it again. Keep it on your eyes. Rub it all over your face, ears, neck, and gently open your eyes and observe your palm. Relax. Thank you. Have a pleasant evening. See you tomorrow. Have a good day, Suchita.
Thank you, Anu.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Anu.